Hey everyone, I'm Melanie, here to introduce our new 1973 to 1987 GM Square Body truck product line. This power tour and daily driver proven system can help you achieve the stance and handling you deserve. The Stage 1 kit includes a heavy-duty sway bar, adjustable Pro Tour style rear sway bar, along with UMI monotube shocks. This kit maintains factory ride height while dramatically improving handling and ride comfort. The Stage 2 kit includes everything from the Stage 1 kit, as well as drop spindles, custom wound UMI lowering springs, a rear flip kit, and shock relocation. These kits use factory rear leaf springs and feature phenomenal handling combined with a 4.5-inch front and 6-inch rear drop. The Stage 1.5 and 2.5 kits are the same as the Stage 1 and 2 kit, but feature double adjustable Viking Performance shocks at all four corners. For more information or to place your order, visit UMI Performance website or email us at support@umiperformance.com.